कहते हैं कि अगर आपके लाइफ में आपको खुश रहना है, बिकॉज इफ यू आर ब्लेस्ड टू बी इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी, देन इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू बी हैप्पी. बट ये एक $1,000,000 क्वेश्चन है, हाउ टू बी हैप्पी. इफ यू आस्क मी हाउ टू बी हैप्पी, in one statement, if I have to tell that, that would be involve yourself into love and selfless service. बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं कि यार मुझे खुश रहना है तो मुझे selfish बनना पड़ेगा. But the real definition of happiness comes when you serve selflessly with whole of your heart, love. And when I'm saying love, it's not about love between two souls, a couple. It's the top rated one, the purity जो किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. Maybe with your known person or with a stranger one. And to have a beautiful conversation today on this topic, how to be in service selflessly, we have a beautiful soul, and I'm so glad that she accepted my invitation to be on this podcast. So without taking much time, let me quickly introduce her. Firstly, welcome to one more episode of Connecting the Dots with KK. And the person that we have today, she has been, what I would like to say about her is, she's a champion of social disability inclusion and social entrepreneur. She has been an amazing motivational speaker, working with global giants like Microsoft, Google, IBM, Accenture. She has been in service to serve disabled person throughout India to provide this support to have a great livelihood and include a great mental support as well. She has been the co-founder of Giftable. After working with a lot of global giants, she has involved herself into this selfless love and making a difference in this world to make this place a better one. She has been awarded. अगर मैं सिर्फ अवार्ड की बात करूं तो मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे सिर्फ 15 मिनट लगेंगे सिर्फ अवार्ड्स को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए. But just to name a few, she has been awarded with Social Entrepreneur Award in 2015, the Best Social Entrepreneur in 2018, the Social Innovation Leadership in 2021 and 2023. I cannot, hold my emotions to welcome this person. This person is none other than our beautiful soul, Pratana Pratik Kaul. Pratana ji, welcome on this show. First of all, my heartfelt gratitude with my folded hands to accept my invitation to be on this podcast. Over to you, Pratana ji. आप अपने बारे में कुछ जल्दी से ऑडियंस को जो भी आपके दिल में है सब कुछ बता दीजिए.
ओह माय गॉड कुशल, मतलब अभी मेरे मुंह से कुछ निकल ही नहीं रहा है. यू हैव हाइप्ड इट सो मच. आई एम एक्चुअली filled with gratitude listening to how kindly you have put up everything. But yeah, in short, I moved from Dandeli, a small little beautiful town where we all both were born, and to Bangalore almost two and a half decades back. And during initial phase, I joined IBM after a couple of years of studies, and then while I was working in IBM, I used to volunteer during weekends. So I used to work with underprivileged children, old age homes. I used to work with read books for visually impaired. And while all this was happening, I realized weekend volunteering was not enough. And I went to my parents and I said, I want to move to social sector. And without any thought, they were like, do whatever you like. And probably that, support helped me take the decision of moving from corporate world to social sector. It's been 18 years now. Initially, I worked with an organization named I Volunteer, working with thousands of volunteers, hundreds of NGOs. And while working with volunteers and NGOs, realized how disability as a cause comes to bottom of pyramid. Now, as simple as 15 years back, I learned sign language and I used to be super excited meeting any deaf. I used to go running and oh my God, he's deaf. Let me go and talk to him. So I will be like, hey, hi, my name is Prarthana. And I used to do it in sign language. And immediate response used to be like this. So what I'm doing is I'm showing my hand from ear to mouth. And that means, are you deaf? And I was like, no. Then the next question was, is someone in your family deaf? And if I am saying, hi, I'm Prarthana, Kushal will say, hi, I'm Kushal. But here it was completely different. And I was like, why is this person asking me, are you deaf? Is someone in your family deaf? And that was the point I realized how disability as a cause comes to bottom. Secondly, they used to think this is my society, this is our society. And in case you are signing in sign language, means there has to be a reason. Either you are deaf, someone in your family is deaf, and we wanted to change that notion. That was one of the reason, probably one of many reasons why we started Giftable. Another small incidents I'll share, and I'll
Please.
hand it over to you for the next question. But I'll go on and on, so you have to stop.
Oh, the call is completely yours because we want people to understand. Because what you are doing is out of the box, Prarthana. Not everyone will be able to do it. And by the end of this podcast, we all will understand why this episode is required. So it's all you. Please take your time. Itna bolna hai bhai.
Sometimes I just keep going because
We need
so much to do, right? So I remember we started doing sign language workshops, and one day I was doing basic sign language in the morning, and afternoon I see a post from one of the volunteers saying, "Hey, you know what? I went to Giftable, I learned sign language. Afternoon, I go to this MG Road metro station and I see a nice, pottery artist making nice pots and teaching to people." And he was taking his son's help to communicate with people because he was deaf. So she goes there and she says, "Hi, my name is Alekya in sign language." And the immediate response was, "Are you volunteer? Giftable?" Now a change that has started happening because each one of us is taking step to become more and more inclusive. And there was another incident I remember, Pratik, my better half and co-founder, he was with corporate also then, and he was like, "Hey, I have an event with visually impaired children. What gift do I give?" And I'm sure while I'm talking this, there are a lot of audience who would start thinking, what gift do we give to someone who is visually impaired or someone who is blind? And my immediate response was, "Hey, let's give them musical instrument." And we both paused, and I still remember that road where we paused, and we said, not necessary if a person is blind, he or she has to like music. The only difference between a person who is visually impaired and me is I can see, the person can't see. And I may or may not like music. He may or may not like music. And that day we said, leave aside the job, the education, the basic awareness is missing. Slowly, Giftable journey started with awareness. To today, I feel proud because of support of all volunteers, team members, passionate team members. We have been able to reach out to thousands of people with disabilities. So we have team working with children with disabilities, youth with disabilities, on health, education and livelihood. So and almost across all parts of the country. So feels proud because we are able to reach a lot. But still that कीड़ा है, excitement है कि there is a long way to go. अभी वो बोलता है ना, picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Equal. Prarthana ji, I want to say this. This is one of those moments where I have got goosebumps in moments, in just few moments. ये बहुत कम होता है. And this only happens when something impressive and, impacting happens. ये इतना जल्दी goosebumps आना, it's, seriously, I cannot see, but the energy, and as it is mentioned, we might be in the form of humans. We all are energies.
Yeah.
Energy, and energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be transferred. And वो जो energy के साथ आपने बोला ना, it hit me through the screen directly. As you mentioned, when you paused with your better half, Pratik, and you spoke about, you discussed, I was visualizing it. blind लोगों के पास ये बहुत बड़ा powerful element है कि हम visualize बहुत powerful करते हैं, बहुत powerful करते हैं. God gift है, अलग ही level का है. मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि यार blindness, it's okay. वो उनकी mentality से बोलते हैं, God bless them with their, better, good mindset. But लोग मुझे ऐसे आके उदासी से पूछते हैं, अरे यार, आंखें गई, क्या करता? And I am like, भाई, ये अलग ही दुनिया है, यहाँ पे अलग ही मजा है. तुम्हें नहीं पता, मैं बता भी नहीं पाऊंगा और तुम समझ भी नहीं पाओगे. मैं अंदर ही अंदर अपने आप से अलग ही. It's like a blessing in disguise. We got. मैं हमेशा ये भी कहता हूँ कि जब मेरी आंखें आ जाएंगी ना, I will be having the experience of light and dark both.
Exactly.
Not everyone will have it.
Exactly. That's true. Yeah. No, that's true. And sometimes people do feel sympathetic, but many a times I know I go for workshops, doing all the trainings and all with my colleague who is wheelchair user, with my colleague who is deaf. and we have so much fun that people would be just watching and अच्छा यहाँ पे fun हो सकता है. So वो एक myth लोगों का जो है कि you know it's that sad life and all, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. वे कभी कभी मुझे बोलना पड़ता है कम enjoy कर.
Wow. I can totally understand. As we are speaking, I think we can speak because you working with physically challenged people and I being into that zone now, physically challenged, we can talk on this topic for hours. ठीक है, आप जो कह रही हैं, I exactly understand. और believe me, you must have experience. मैं जब भी physical challenge से बात करता हूँ ना, the attitude that they carry, man, it's simply inspiring. Simply inspiring.
So that's
And you know, it's not about just a loss of sense. It's a gain of some other level only. I mean, it's a gain on other level. I cannot.
again on other level. You probably all put so much of extra effort so that you are working at par with others. So yeah. So,
Yeah, I would like to add something here. मुझे किसी ने पूछा था कि कुशल, तुझे दिखना बंद हो गया है and your ear listening capacity must be on a different level. Grown up, right? I said grown up क्या होता है? मतलब how can it grow? Hearing capacity. मैंने analyze किया. I told him, see, we all are blessed with the same power. हम जैसे हम equally पैदा, ठीक है, किसी के आंखें हैं, किसी के हाथ नहीं है, it's okay. But 5 senses, we have the equal power. अब मेरे साथ क्या हुआ? आंखें जैसे ही ड्रॉप हुआ ना, I started utilizing the potential of my ear. It didn't grow. I started using it. जब मैं sighted था, मैं use नहीं करता था. सीधी सी बात है. It has not grown.
उतना ध्यान भी नहीं दिया हम लोग.
Exactly. It's the real fact is we have started using it. अगर पुराने जमाने की बात करें, correct me if I'm wrong, प्रार्थना जी, because you are more experienced. पुराने जमाने में we come from a beautiful background. We are Indians, right? We are blessed to be Indians. Now that's wonderful land on this globe. Now ये जो monks होते थे, साधु संत होते थे, they used to meditate by closing their eyes and their mind was always sharp. वो अपने other sense, they used to meditate to control their senses, hearing, nose, tongue, eyes, skin को वो control करते थे. And just with the virtue of the fact that they are controlling their senses capacity was growing.
Yeah. So you said it so right. So it is not like when people say, oh, you have 6 senses, 7 senses. There's no extra 7. It's just that because I have to be at par with someone who doesn't have a disability, I put in those extra efforts. I try to, use other senses really well.
Right. That's so amazing. मुझे अभी कोई पूछता है ना, कुशल यार तेरा 6th सेंस बहुत तगड़ा होता है. मैं बोला यार, अब उनकी लैंग्वेज में मैं उनको समझा नहीं सकता. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड 6th सेंस. मैं उनको बोलता हूँ तुम गलत बोल रहे हो. आई एम यूजिंग माय 8th 9th सेंस. And they're like, wow.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, it's fun. And as I mentioned, this conversation, guys, it's going to be full of fun and enthusiasm. So it's just the beginning, guys. I haven't even started asking questions.
Arey baapre.
But before I get on the first question, Pratana, thank you. You answered without even asking the question. My first question was, you have been into the world of, working with these global giants. You have been into corporate. But what shifted in you that you took this turn, and not many of us will take it. But you took a complete U-turn. लोग कॉर्पोरेट से कॉर्पोरेट जंप करते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट से खुद के बिजनेस पे जंप करते हैं, but not from, they don't invest themselves into social working, social entrepreneurship. Not everyone will accept this cup of tea.
True.
Right? So, एक मोमेंट अगर, वैसे तो आपने बता दिया, but still, if I have to ask you, ऐसा एक आहा मोमेंट क्या था आपकी लाइफ में जिसकी यार इसने मुझे बदल दिया, ऐसा कुछ और अगर आप ऐड करना चाहें?
I would not say it's an aha moment, but there were a lot of small little moments, Kushal. My first learning, I remember I went to one of the organizations and that was the first time we were volunteering for visually impaired. Someone said, oh, you have to go read books for visually impaired. I was like, go read books? And it was like, this is almost 22 years back. So like, अरे ये अच्छा है. And when I go, I met with my friend. I still remember we both used to work at IBM and we both go there. And there was someone who was explaining us about the organization. We do this. And I too was like full emotional, and I'm nodding my head, and my friend looks at me and she just shows by her hand, like, you need to be vocal as well. She would not know you are nodding your head. And that was my first learning.
Wow.
It's not just nodding your head. You need to add saying, acknowledge saying, ha, yeah, true, yes. And at probably that moment, I also learned that you need not feel sad or guilty about something that is, अरे यार मैंने नॉड क्यों किया. कभी कभी अपने हम लोग एकदम से बोल देता है. मेरा फ्रेंड है जो विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड, मैं बोल देगा अरे मेरे को ना थोड़ा पेन दे. एंड देन आई वुड बी लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, वो तो ब्लाइंड है, मैंने पेन क्यों मांगा. अरे मांगा मांगा, उसको भी समझ में आता है, हो गया. And I can just move on. The person would also move on, right? I remember there were a lot of other incidences. Like one day my student said, "Ma'am, can you drop me at my place?" And I said, "ठीक है, I will drop you. But how will I know मुझे जाना किधर है?" "Don't worry, ma'am, I'll guide you." And I still remember he said, "Take a U-turn. Can you see the petrol bunk?" I was like, "Yeah, I can see the petrol bunk." "ठीक है, सीधा जाओ. Can you see the road is dead end, and that is dead end because they are constructing a flyover." मैंने कहा मैं इतने वीक से यहाँ आ रही हूँ, मैंने कभी नोटिस भी नहीं किया फ्लाईओवर बन रहा है वहाँ पे. एंड देन ही सेज, "टेक लेफ्ट, टेक राइट, इस्त्री वाला दिखेगा, ये दिखेगा." मैंने छोड़ तो दिया. एंड उतरने के बाद मैंने बोला, "भाई सुरेश, अब मुझे जाना कैसे है?" वो But yeah, these were small little incidences. I remember when I was moving, taking the decision to move to social sector, there were a lot of people who said, think before you take that decision. I still remember there was one manager in IBM who said, that's a nice decision. You're not moving to a competitive organization, you're moving to social sector. But please understand, there are a lot of politics over there and it's not an easy journey. And I'll keep your coming back open. So जब भी आपका मन करे, you come back to IBM. And Kushal, it's been 18 years, यार. मतलब हर दिन has been like full of impact stories, making me feel like that decision was the best decision of my life.
Wow. And you know that also heart touching, and you mentioned it so right, because on this show there is a blind guy and there is a sighted guy, but the best part is we are understanding. You understood what it takes to be there.
Yeah.
And believe me, out of these physical challenges, blindness is most challenging.
Yeah.
क्योंकि it is said that sighted person, जो normal इंसान है, जो healthy, guys, God bless you with all your perfect health, but sighted people, उनका response 80% is on what they see. Like 80% responses on what sighted person sees. But there are other senses as well. Try to use them. Meditate. Meditation is one of the powerful things. Be mindful on what you do, and your senses will be like magical working.
So you have to reflect. You have to keep reflecting. And I have learned this from Pratik. He usually keeps saying to our team as well, right? Don't compete with others. Compete with yourself, and be the better version of yourself. And I think that is what we all have to do.
I am recalling this dialogue from movie Sultan. Sultan को सिर्फ एक ही सुल्तान की लड़ाई सिर्फ सुल्तान के साथ है.
बराबर.
We have, and it's so fact. Nowadays there's nothing called competition. मतलब opportunities इतने open हो चुके हैं. If I have to tell प्रार्थना जी, if I have to tell about myself, I had to leave my job क्योंकि मेरे पास option ही नहीं था भाई. यहाँ पर आ रहा था. I was like, अब करेंगे क्या? And see, it's been 3 years. I have settled myself. I earn on my own. I've set up my online business on, by learning.
And you're doing much better than what you would have done if you were that.
Exactly. I still, once in a while ये होता है बार बार. मेरा previous version, अभी का version जो match up करता हूँ ना मैं, नहीं यार, ये achievements उस version के साथ तो नहीं हो सकते.
Very possible है. That's true.
So I'm so grateful to Almighty कि challenges भी आए तो, like I mentioned it in my book, opportunities in downfall.
Wow.
उसको इतना अच्छे से लिखा. एंड एज यू मेंशन्ड अबाउट दिस, आप जब वो विजुअली चैलेंज, नाम महेश कुछ बताया आपने,
सुरेश का.
सुरेश. तो सुरेश जब आपको गाइड कर रहे थे, आई एम रिकॉलिंग अ स्टेटमेंट, अ सिनेरियो व्हिच वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स सजेस्टेड. शी इज फ्रॉम बैंगलोर ओनली. शी यूज्ड टू गो टू वर्क प्लेस, हर स्कूल, कॉलेज. अब कॉलेज जाना था तो सिटी बस लेना पड़ता था, राइट? एंड he was like, how to understand, and the way she explained was so amazing. अब if you are in your own car or your friend's car, you can guide the person who is driving because you have a bit of control. But how will you guide? ये public transport वालों को कैसे guide करेंगे? They have their own route. They will not change it for you. And she was like amazing. Kushal, the way I used to reach my destination was there used to be 3 pointers, major points. One was meat का shop आता था. इसका smell was like wow. And second was bakery. बेकरी का एक अलग ही अरोमा होता है ना,
अलग स्मेल
उसका. एंड शी वाज लाइक फर्स्ट बेकरी देन अ सिग्नल, तो वहाँ पे बस रुकती थी वो स्टॉप के साथ, एंड वन मोर बेकरी. आई वाज लाइक वाओ मैन, टाइटेड पर्सन ध्यान भी नहीं देगा. वो ध्यान देगा हाँ ये स्पॉट गया वो स्पॉट गया, देंगे नहीं देंगे, बट वी हैव टू पुट इन सम एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स.
In fact, Kushal, while you're saying this, I remember I also work with multiple disabilities. So there are people who are deaf blind. So imagine I can't see, I can't hear, I can't talk, and the only communication we do is on hand. And there's this person by name Pradeep who works in Delhi MC. It took him 10 years to become independent in life. So, and I and he have like lot of funny conversations whenever we meet. And एक दिन ये बंदा मुझे बोलता है, can you drop me at my place? You book the cab, and while I'm sitting in cab, he's showing me like signs for like, you know, I'm learning new words from him. And then ऐसे ही हम लोग जा रहे हैं, so we are say going from say शांति नगर to कोरमंगला. ये बंदा मुझे बीच में बोलता है, प्रार्थना have we like, you know, sign में ही वो मेरे हाथ, he will touch my hand and I'll sign on one of his hand where he will feel. With other hand he is responding and he's asking me, have we reached Adugodi? And I was like, मैंने लिटरली उसको बोला, मैं तेरे आँख के सामने ऐसे हाथ घुमा रही हूँ, तू पक्का बोल कि डेफ ब्लाइंड है.
This happened. Wow.
And every signal पे he was like, have we reached शांति नगर signal? Have we reached Adugodi signal? And I was like, तू इतना सही क्यों बोल रहा है? मेरे को ऐसा डाउट आ रहा है.
Wow. You know, this is needed. मैं भी ये करता हूँ. You know, I do all the odd shifts. देखो, it's simple. Being coming from a site and now no site, मतलब लोगों को चौंका देना थोड़ा पड़ता है, चौंकाना पड़ता है. Because we too have a life and we too have a life. और मतलब it's a blessing. I mean, मैं इसको ज़्यादा explain तो नहीं कर पाऊँगा.
I think you're right, yeah. मतलब, and when you're saying blessing, people who are watching it need to understand. Like at one end you have Kushal, who got support from all the family, friends, and he put in efforts to be where he is today. At one end there is Pradeep, who got support from his family. It took him 10 years. But I remember in one of the rural areas where we had gone, Kushal, in one house there were 3 deafblind sisters. The only communication, I think one was 20, other was 22, other one was 25. Only communication they have had for 20 years of their life was action of, मतलब जब भी खाना चाहिए, they would show this, which is like मुंह के पास खाने का action. So imagine अगर मुझे इस रूम में 1-2 घंटा भी बैठना है, I would be like, कोई तो आ जाओ यार, बात करो. 20 साल कोई भी बात नहीं करने को है, and automatically with deaf blindness you will get intellectual disability, right? So how do you work? And this is the question for the people who are watching it. Start thinking, how can you as an individual start being part of their inclusive, you know, our inclusive journey?
I mean, that was too emotional. I mean, I was just thinking about these 3
Yeah.
souls.
It's not easy. First, हम लोगों को लगता है, and especially that to being a girl, it's not. Challenges.
It's very challenging because the way you are mentioning, I exactly know, because at times you feel like going out. I mean, frankly, you feel like going out. You feel like chilling out with friends. You feel like कोई आए यार लेके जाए, कोई ऐसे ही, मतलब with no reason someone come and meet, you know,
and having some talks, you know,
and some rubbish talk, foolish talk. I'm saying
Yeah.
little.
I was going to say एकदम बकवास.
बकवास यार, बकवास. कुछ भी कर रहे हो करो, मतलब भड़ास निकाल लो अपनी. I have felt that. You won't believe, Prarthana, I haven't mentioned it many times, but I have dressed up myself, perfume लगा के, यार दोस्त आने वाले हैं. I've buckled up my shoes and sitting on the, you know, झूले पे बैठा हूँ घर के सामने. अभी आएंगे,
अभी
अभी आएंगे,
Yeah.
अभी आएंगे. can you imagine sitting for 2 hours, 2.5 hours on the same झूला? अभी आएंगे and it's 10:15 and your mind says Kushal अब
I'm
नहीं
getting
आएंगे.
goosebumps thinking not, and it's a mix of like, you know, I'm actually imagining and feeling like it's not, yeah.
But you know, I always show my gratitude to Almighty कि अगर वो हम पर उपकार नहीं करता, ये intellectual state नहीं देता हमको, अगर वो hidden power which is invisible but always present beside inside you, outside you, हम ये कैसे कर पाते? मतलब if I go back and just think about my 3 years, what has helped me? Spirituality on top rated. Spiritual power, spiritual learnings, my parents' support. I mean, thank God to everyone who didn't come when I needed.
That taught you even more.
मैं अरे अलग ही लेवल का एटीट्यूड है भाई. And believe me, when we are saying it, it's not nowhere out of arrogance or something. बहुत खुशी होती है भाई ये एटीट्यूड को गेन करके.
हाँ, that's true.
I mean,
and जब हम सुनते हैं ना, हमको कभी कभी लगता है अरे यार, बट देन ये दुनिया में तो सब अच्छे इंसान हैं, ऐसे भी होता होगा. अरे नहीं यार, मतलब it's a mix and we have to deal with both positives and negatives. So yeah.
wow, that was wonderful. You know, मैंने जैसे बोला ये बातें एंडलेस हैं. You have your experience, I have my experience, और दोनों का टॉपिक सेम मिल गया तो it's like they
तो सीरियसली अभी हमको कोई तीसरे पर्सन को बोला होगा भाई रोको इनको.
Right. But yes, respecting all your time. Moving to the next question, Pratana ji. And before moving to the next question, the experience which you have shared.
Yeah.
Listeners, I want you to pay attention क्योंकि physically challenged लोग भी इंसान हैं. Being sighted, being physically fit, आपने भी कभी ना कभी तो एक अपाहिजपन को एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा कि आप हाथ पैरों से फिट है बट आप कहीं ना कहीं फंसे हुए हैं. जैसे आपको हेल्प की नीड होती है वैसे रियली फिजिकली चैलेंज लोगों को भी नीड होती है. अपने 24 घंटे के समय में से 5 मिनट निकालकर किसी एक बंदे की 2 मिनट के लिए हेल्प करो. एक बंदे की 5 मिनट का समय, एक बंदा 5 मिनट में से 2 मिनट, bring a smile on their face and I promise you आप स्माइल देने के लिए जाओगे, आप स्माइल लेकर आओगे. I promise you that. आप मदद करने जाओगे, you will get a lot of smiles on your face and the level of satisfaction too good.
Yeah, in fact, Kushal, while you are saying this, like, you know, 1 minute help karo, 2 minute help karo. I have been asked many times, like, you know, I have like 1 hour only in my hand in a week, in a year. Can I make a difference? And I say, you leave aside 1 hour, I'll tell you how 1 minute can make a difference. And it's been 15 years. We have been celebrating Diwali at this place called Karunashraya, a cancer hospice home. 15, I think it's more than 15, almost 16 years back. I remember we went there with 5 volunteers. एक मेरे बाबा थे who plays nice music, sing songs. So we said we'll just go there and play music. And there's a nice fish pond surrounding which all volunteers said. Idea was, can we give break to caretakers who see at least 2-3 deaths every day, more than patients. And it started with 5 volunteers. Today we have 100 plus volunteers coming for every Diwali. 1 month before Diwali, I start getting message, when is our Diwali this year? तो हम लोग घर पे मनाएं या नहीं मनाएं, वहाँ पे ज़रूर मनाते हैं. And one of the Diwali I still remember, I do lot of energizers with lot of people, as in I remember I said shake your right hand, shake your left hand, twist, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that Diwali we had like 20 deaf volunteers who said we may not be able to scream but we will shake our hand. There were a lot of people on wheelchair who said wow, we will scream. So I said, जिसको जो करना है करो, एक energy आना चाहिए. And there was like one super energy around, and I see one patient lying on like, you know, this stretcher, and he raises his hand. So जो भी patients उधर आ सकते हैं, they would come. So he raises his hand and says, ma'am, can I sing a song in Kannada? And I said, you sing. I will do sign language and explain the song, and people will enjoy. So it's okay. Most of us might or might not know Kannada. And he completed the whole song, Kushal. I still remember, this is almost decade back incident. And he completed the whole song, and I realized he had throat cancer because he was singing with feeble voice. all 100 volunteers clapping for him. There was one smile on his face कि अरे मतलब ना मेरे लिए किसी ने माइक पकड़ा, मैंने गाना गाया एंड इतने लोग मेरे लिए क्लैप कर रहे हैं. 1 week later I go there because this is a place where there are patients on their final stage, right? So caretaking difficult हो जाता है. And I go there and I ask here that 23-year young boy who sang the song, can I go and meet him? They said, ma'am, you can, but today might be his last day. And I go towards his room. I say, I want to just say hi to him. And I'm like thinking, अरे मैंने ये challenge लिया क्यों, मतलब मुझे क्या पड़ा है, क्यों मुझे जाके मिलना है. But I said, अभी बोला है मैं जाके मिलूंगी. I go towards his room and I am standing at his door and मन में मैं सोच रही हूँ hi बोलूँ, hello बोलूँ, हाथ ऊपर करूँ. And even before I could say hi, with a smile on his face, he was shaking his right hand, the energizer that I had done that day. And they have a nice tagline which says, you cannot add days to their life, but you can always add life to their days. And if in 1 minute, I can create so much of it in all of you, coming forward, volunteering, मतलब क्या खतरनाक सा मोमेंट होगा वो कि सब लोग अपना टाइम दे रहे हैं, सब जगह एकदम, इट्स लाइक लाइक कुशल सेड, अरे 1-2 मिनट भी हेल्प करो तो भी बहुत कुछ हो सकता है.
That was so powerful. आप मतलब this is going to be speechless for some times. And a water. Yeah,
and I proudly keep sharing this everywhere because somewhere I feel ये सुन के अगर 10 लोग भी आके volunteering करेगा ना, it has made a difference.
Yes, and I want to add something, Pratna ji. Anytime you meet any visually challenged guy, initially while stepping out, they have a discomfort thought कि यार कैसे जाऊँ आगे, what will be happening and all. If you see a visually challenged back walking with a stick or odd figure wala walk ho, please give them space. I know many people are already giving it. God bless each and every soul. But अगर कहीं भी जरूरत पड़ी तो उन्हें एक पीठ पे थपथपाहट देकर बोलो, you are doing awesome man. आप बहुत बेहतरीन कर रहे हो.
That's true because उनके दिमाग में हजारों थॉट्स चल रहा होगा, मैं लाइक am I doing right, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, कैसे कर रहा हूँ, and you telling that one dialogue कि लेकिन अरे मस्त चल रहा है कर,
अरे वाह मजा.
that will be yeah.
And to the best part, we have those ये statement बोलने वाले लोग हैं, मतलब नहीं भी बोले, I am pushing them कि आपके पास good feelings हैं, just utter one statement, yeah you are doing awesome, Kushal you are doing awesome, Pratna you are doing fast. Yeah, this will add a lot of, as you mentioned, you cannot add days to their life, but you can definitely add life to their days. And that was amazing. I'm always going to keep close to my heart. Yes, both amazing statement. Pratna ji, my second query without taking much time, ये बहुत deep जाने वाला है मुझे पता है. You have worked with a lot of global giants. आपने Google, you have been a motivational speaker, a consultant, right? You have worked with IBM, Accenture, Microsoft, iVision, आपने कुछ बताया था कंपनी का, iVolunteer, sorry. So, working with this organization, you have been on stage to create an impact definitely. But have you ever noticed, have you witnessed कि यार organization में गया and organization understood what you mean, and have you witnessed a shift in the organization for this inclusion topic?
Many times, Kushal, many times.
What is
that change? We usually tell organizations, sensitize the leadership team because then it's easy for us to reach out to larger audience inside the organization, have people with disabilities. I've seen organizations taking that step. One of the organization I know is like Cisco. I've seen, I remember when we started Giftable 11 years back, Cisco started their ERG group, which is CDAN, which is Collective Disability Network Alliance. I said, and we have seen each other's journey grown together, right? So sensitization workshops, making places accessible, hiring people with disabilities. And when you witness all that, today there has been time when many companies have started saying, अरे मतलब एक डिसेबिलिटी है ये नॉर्मल हो गया, क्योंकि people with multiple disabilities. But वो चीज आने के लिए from organizations telling us, I have heard many times, बट हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी है नहीं, हम सेशंस क्यों करें? एंड देन टेलिंग देम मोर द रीजन व्हाई यू डू सेशन, बिकॉज वो पूरा चेंज होके आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में देयर हैज टू बी पीपल विद डिसेबिलिटीज हु आर वर्किंग, and letting them know that through these sessions you will understand that technology is helping so much that they have started. Technology is a game changer, yeah. It is helping people with disabilities perform at par with anybody. So you have to give that little reasonable accommodation. Kushal might be using screen readers, someone might need help with wheelchairs, someone who is neurodiverse. I am a person with autism, I'm good with work, I might have my own little restrictions, like smell of perfume might not be it might hit me, or the lighting might hit me. This might be normal light for you, but for me it is like I start screaming, mujhe ye light nahi chahiye. I create that calm place. So you do that little bit of accommodation. And uske aage it is like I keep saying, whether it is person with or without disability, instead of using word normal and all, I consciously keep using I work with people with and without disabilities. And if a person with disability has to work with at par with person without disability, you just make that space. And to create that space, awareness is very, very important. लाइक ऐसे कहाँ मैंने ABCD सिर्फ अल्फाबेट सिखाया एंड कहाँ वो लोकेश द डेफ आर्टिस्ट सेड आर यू वॉलंटियर, बिकॉज दैट वॉलंटियर टुक दैट स्टेप. सेम वे आई थिंक corporates should and are taking, and that I have witnessed many organizations doing that small effort, like I usually, Kushal, have a painting next to me, okay, a small little painting, and I will also describe. So for audience I'm showing this. There is a lady holding a lamp. This is painting done by a youth with autism. Okay.
Wow.
And I remember a couple of years back, his mother used to call us and say, I don't know what would happen to Akhilesh after me. And that's the fear of most of the parents. What after me? Especially if you have a child with intellectual disability, multiple disability, any disability. एक वो रहेगा हमेशा कि आगे क्या, right? And I still remember that year, Cisco gave us an order of 2,000 such paintings. And Akhilesh paint, they said theme is Diya. And his painting got selected. We get a message from Akhilesh mom saying, hey, you know what? Akhilesh is one of the breadwinner in the family. A dialogue change from what would happen to Akhilesh to he is a breadwinner, and it did not stop there. Next year, Akhilesh brother goes home with a hamper and he says, Mom, look, I have got Akhilesh painting. I have got chocolates made by his friend, and I'm actually showing a keychain now which is carved by someone whose pe hathi hai, elephant hai, which is carved by someone who is physically challenged. Polishing is done by someone who is blind. And they show painting to Akhilesh. Akhilesh is severely autistic. He looks at the painting, stares at the painting, and just says Akhilesh, Akhilesh, and walks off, without even realizing impact he has created on his family. The family that was shy today proudly talks about him. And that change is possible because at one end, individuals, organizations are taking effort. At other end, corporates. I remember he was working in Amadeus and he just showed the hamper to his brother saying, see, mother, see, this is Akhilesh painting. I have gone on the whole floor telling this is by my brother, right? Corporates taking those efforts, right?
That was
Lot of corporates.
amazing moment.
Yeah, these days it is like I was just sharing with Kushal, like, last 1 week I have been crazy, busy, doing lot of training. But again, corporate playing in that role, doing lot of employee engagement activities, volunteering activities, so that people start connecting. There are a lot of corporates taking in that step, and through awareness is the key. Keep awareness and the change will keep happening.
Wow. ये पिछले 5 मिनट के सिनेरियो में there were multiple stories, multiple lessons to be drawn. मतलब ये काफी है, दिमाग को हिला देने के लिए काफी है. And the moment when you shared, I'll add something to this, प्रार्थना जी. कि अचानक से फिजिकल चैलेंज आना, दुनिया का एक्सेप्ट करना नहीं करना, माइंडसेट का डिस्टर्बेंस होना, एक सिंपल सा थॉट दे जाता है कि चलो मैं अपनी जिंदगी को खत्म कर देता हूँ क्योंकि अब यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बचा. ये मेरे पास भी आया था, बट I don't know what pulled me back. I know what pulled me back, बट वो थॉट कहाँ से आया वो मुझे नहीं पता. आई सिंपली थैंक गॉड कि वो थॉट देने के लिए, यू नो. समवन से आई ऑलवेज दिस स्टेटमेंट इज क्लोज टू माय हार्ट. ओके, मैं आपको 2 बातें बताता हूँ यहाँ पे. 2021 में जब मेरा ट्रांजिशन पीरियड था ना, फ्रॉम साइट टू नो साइट, that was very challenging. And see, when you're driving a car, you are on a smooth road and you have to transit कि आगे स्मूथ रोड आने वाला है, लेकिन जो वो बीच का जो खराब रास्ता है वहीं पे दिमाग खराब होता है. And once you cross that, the next road is smooth again. I always keep telling to myself, जो वो खराब रास्ते का पीरियड था ना मेरी लाइफ में, I was talking to one of the person, he stays in Bangalore and luckily he works in Cisco. So उससे बात हो रही थी and the person said, Kushal ji, your situation is but tougher than mine. He is like born blind, okay? और उन्होंने बोला, Kushal, your situation is bit tougher than mine because I was born blind. I coped up with it long back. मैंने अब उसको कर लिया. बट आपके केस में आप साइटेड थे और अचानक से सब कुछ गायब हो चुका है. It is too difficult to digest. एंड कुछ बात होते होते उन्होंने एक ऐसी बड़ी बात बोल दी which changed my life. उन्होंने बोला, कुशल जी, in this beautiful showroom of world, we are a damaged piece. और मुझे वो बहुत खटका. Frankly speaking, I couldn't sleep that night. मुझे इतना डिस्टर्ब कर गया. मेरे दिमाग में था, यार मैं कल तक तो देख पा रहा था, आज मेरी आंखें जा रही है, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. बट थैंक गॉड मेरे माइंड ने ना उसका डेफिनेशन ही चेंज कर दी. एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल कि उन्होंने मुझे बोला. ये अवेयरनेस हुआ ना, एक्नॉलेजमेंट हुआ. What my mind said was, Kushal, definitely in this beautiful showroom of worlds, you are a damaged piece. But I am going to place this damaged piece called Kushal Kulkarni in such a way that it attracts every possible eyeball. And since then I never looked back. क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा, एक बड़ा सा शोरूम जाओ, सब कुछ अच्छा है, और एक टूटी फूटी चीज होगी that will attract the attention. अरे ये टूटा हुआ चीज यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? I am that damaged piece, and I am so proud to introduce myself like this. क्योंकि
He totally relate to what you're saying यार. मतलब yeah.
वो एंड टू द पॉइंट व्हेन यू एडेड कि वो पेंटिंग बनाना एंड द मदर सेइंग कि यार इसका क्या होगा, ये पेरेंट्स का थॉट आना इट इज वेरी नॉर्मल. क्योंकि उन्हें अपने बच्चों
Because day in day out they do caretakes.
एग्जैक्टली उनको पता है और उनको चिंता है ना कि हमारे पास क्या होगा. बट मैंने अपने लाइफ को
मेरे को यहाँ बैठे बैठे सोचना इजी, अरे डोंट वरी कुछ हो जाएगा. बट डे इन डे आउट those caretakers journey is not at all easy.
नॉट एट पेरेंट्स के
I deal with corporates, Kushal, working closely with corporates on forming caretakers resource group, so that everyone knows that there are a lot of caregivers inside a corporate and they can connect with each other and know that, like, someone else is also going through that journey. It's not just me, and then I'm there for each other, right? So
I mean it's so amazing. And सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. I mean God is kind. सब कुछ ठीक हो ही रहा है. And God bless कि आप जैसे ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स हैं हमारे पास, who is creating the awareness, acknowledgement हो रहा है reality का, and the life is moving smooth. So thank you. I show my gratitude to you, Prarthana ji. Thank you to you and Pratik as well, because you have been doing such an inspiring job. Right? You have already stood out of the crowd. A lot of gratitude. With that, last ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं खींचूंगा, because I want to respect your time, because you have been into very busy schedule since a week, you told me. So, आपने बहुत सारे लोगों को ट्रेन किया है. You have trained a lot of people. If I remember, you have worked with thousands, more than 25,000 people. You have been volunteering more than 25,000 people, right?
yeah.
ऐसा एक एक्सपीरियंस है, कुछ चैलेंज की यार, ऐसा कुछ देखा आपने कि ये सॉर्ट हो जाए और मैं इसको अगर लोगों को ट्रेन करूँ इस प्रॉब्लम के लिए, लाइफ विल बी मोर ईजी, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एनी एक्सपीरियंस, एक ऐसा चीज़ आपके नज़र में आ गया यार, अगर ये सॉर्ट हो गया ना, डिसेबल्ड लोगों का लाइफ ईजी हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ?
ऐसे काफ़ी सारे हैं, बट आई नो व्हेन पैंडेमिक हिट, I remember Pratik and I am were staying close to our office, and then I see Pratik गायब हो गया एक दिन, and I was like, Pratik तू है किधर? And I get to know he's done some research and gone to aspirational districts. Now, for everyone's knowledge, aspirational districts are the poorest small little districts of our country, telling in simple words so that everyone understands.
Yes.
And government has identified them. There are 112 or 115 such districts. And we identified 4 or 5 adjoining such districts in UP, Balram.
Okay.
श्रावस्ती, सिद्धार्थ नगर, मैंने तो अपने लाइफ में ये पहले कभी नाम भी नहीं सुने होंगे, गोंडा, परेवपुर, एंड आई वाज लाइक ऐसे नाम है, ऐसे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है. एंड 4 years बैक प्रतीक केम बैक एंड सेड, प्रार्थना हमको यहाँ पे तो कुछ करना ही चाहिए. लीव असाइड फॉर पीपल विद डिसेबिलिटीज, फॉर विदाउट डिसेबिलिटीज ऑल्सो कुछ नहीं है. Journey started those days where we started identifying children, we started identifying youth with disabilities who were just begging on streets doing nothing. We started teaching them masala making, we started teaching them bag making, stitching. From the center, like, those days, 4 years is like not a huge period also, just 4 साल पहले जो center vocational training start हुआ, today it is a production unit. So whenever there are laptop bag orders that we get, it is from that unit, and these are the people who are begging on streets to today earning whatever earning they are doing. 2,000 होगा, 5,000 होगा, जितना भी कर रहे होंगे, they are living a dignified life. तो कभी कभी लगता है like if you see there are a lot of CSR conclaves that happen for corporate leaders who are CSR leaders, DI leaders, or probably directors, vice presidents who attend different conferences. 99% of them happen in big hotels in city. So somewhere we realize corporates are not aware about, I will not make this comment ki not everyone, but many are not aware about aspirational districts. 50% of India has aspirational district. Wow. Less than 2% of funds go there. Wow. बहुत सारा पैसा हम लोगों का सिटीज में है, बट अगर वो पैसा, एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग गिफ्टेबल को या उस यूपी का रीजन जहाँ हमारा प्रेजेंस है, बट पूरे 115 एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में बंटना चालू हो गया, lot of things it will be a game changer. Now imagine so we decided in February we will do a impact summit in Balrampur and Shravasti, where we will do rural immersion. Corporates will take that challenge to see what are ground realities. There are many corporates who are doing amazing work also, but इतना सारा corporates में से अगर कुछ और भी जुड़ जाए, you won't believe, Kushal, just a couple of months back I was there, and I still remember one child holds my hand and I was like, Naitik, walk karna hai, Naitik kuch chahiye, and there was no response. So I realized he has some neurodiverse condition, but then he started walking with me. मैं बच्चों के साथ में activities कर रही हूँ, चलो thumbs up, thumbs down, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, and then I see Naitik is banging his head on the wall. And I go to the team and they said, don't worry ma'am, उसने अपना हाथ रखा है सामने, so he would hit himself. मैंने कहा अच्छा बच्चू, मेरे को सता रहा है तू. And then I realized, the team said 3 years back से we identified him and he's coming to our center for therapies. We have inclusive education center as well there, therapy center as well there. And they said for 6 years he was tied with rope and kept in the corner of the house. And I won't blame the parents also. यार farmers है या कुछ छोटा मोटा काम कर रहे हैं, हर जगह नहीं ले जा पाएंगे, उनको अर्न करके फाइनली सबका पेट भी पालना है. So they would just try and go, and then आप इमेजिन करो उस बच्चे का कंडीशन, नो सोशल इंटरेक्शन, नथिंग. And then suddenly today he is seeing me, seeing other people, seeing all the children with different disabilities. For him it is like, एक वो excitement, या probably he is overwhelmed with, I am getting to have that social interaction. ये अगर देखना है, you have to go to those places, witness what is happening, and and do your bit, not just for giftable, but there are like hundreds of thousands of organizations doing a lot of good work in different areas. So yeah, I like I say, I just get emotional and
ये बाहर आना जरूरी है. See, I don't know how Pratik got that idea, how he visited the place, how he researched about it, how he delivered it to you, and you decided going there, then you reaching out to the corporate level. Now corporate involving, corporate के पास पैसा है, right? People on the ground level have ideas. आइडिया अगर सही आइडिया और सही पैसे का मेल मिलाप हो गया ना,
और पैसा सही जगह जाना,
एग्जैक्टली वो इसलिए मैंने बोला सही आइडिया और सही पैसे का अगर कोलैबोरेशन हो गया, द वर्ल्ड इज, इट्स नो चांस कि दुनिया नहीं बदली. ये स्टोरी मतलब it was real
Yeah,
again.
and it's been like what 11 years journey यार मतलब Pratik initially was working in corporate world and after some time जब हम देखते हैं ना इतना सारा चीजें हो रहा है, so he was like नहीं, I also want to join full time, and like it's been like what 7-8 years. He's also like completely into it. I am into it. We have like super passionate team who have been doing this non-stop. It's not easy at the end. And when I'm saying it's not easy, because there's so many things to do, so many things you witness कि कभी कभी लगता है like कितना भी करो कम है. So
बिल्कुल डेफिनेटली ये एरिया ही ऐसा है कि आप जितना भी करो कम ही होगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाट द ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट कम्स इन. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू create the chain by holding each other's hand, because Prarthana alone have the idea, she is doing it, but alone she
it's not
face
possible.
it not
It's
possible. वो there is a saying क्या कहा
से यार आगे कौन क्या, अभी हमको बोलना होगा आगे कौन क्या.
what I can promise is Prarthana, I am all in. You can trust me on this. भले ही मैं थोड़ा सा आंखों के साथ चैलेंज दूं, but believe me, मैं नॉर्मल लोगों से ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स दे के रिजल्ट्स लाने की कैपेबिलिटीज मेरे अंदर है.
I'm sure, yeah, I'm sure. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
it's time to teach other peoples to catch the fish, not only feed one, so that we can hold each other's hand. वो एक कहावत है ना कि if I give one fish to one person, I can feed only him. But if I teach that person कि मछली कैसे पकड़ना है, he can feed the whole village.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
तो वही हमें करना है, एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के, जो भी फिजिकली चैलेंज है. आई मीन यहाँ पे सिर्फ जैसे प्रार्थना मेंशन इट ऑलमोस्ट थ्राइस इन दिस कन्वर्सेशन कि हमें सिर्फ पीपल विद डिसेबिलिटी की हेल्प नहीं करनी है. वी हैव टू हेल्प पीपल हु आर इन नीड ऑफ हेल्प. सो हमें नहीं पता, फिजिकल चैलेंज कभी कभी दिखाई देता. मुझे तो बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं तुझे देखने से पता भी नहीं चलता कि तू अंधा है. अगर मेरे अंधे होने के बावजूद लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा, ब्रेन तो किसी को दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा है, तो मेंटल चैलेंजेस कितने हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में. सो लेट्स स्प्रेड सम गुड वाइब्स, एनर्जी स्प्रेड करें, ताकि हम इस एटलीस्ट हमारे रेसिडेंशियल एरिया को थोड़ा सा सुधारने की कोशिश कर सकते. Alone it's not possible. We have to collaborate, create a community of impactors, so that we can impact this place and make it a beautiful one. So
It was a good one.
yeah, Prarthana ji, closing this final question. See, this has been a challenge. Even I have witnessed it. You are working on disability inclusion, diversity. जो भी challenges आते हैं society में, you have been working on that, and many people are interested to be part of this, but they don't have any idea how to be part of this big mission. Can you spread anything, if you have anything, so that इस पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू अगर एक इंसान भी अगर इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है हेल्प करने के लिए, आई थिंक दैट विल बी अ विन-विन सिचुएशन फॉर एवरीवन, राइट?
Yeah, I'm sure. I would recommend people wherever you are, whichever place you are, there are a lot of लाखों में organizations that are doing amazing work in and around you. Please go volunteer. If you're anywhere close to Giftable, come volunteer with us. During pandemic, I started doing sign language reels, songs, so that just to spread awareness. मतलब कभी कभी you feel right, people are watching reels. अरे थोड़ा उसमें साइन लैंग्वेज का तड़का ऐड करो एंड स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस. सीइंग दोस रील्स, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु लर्न साइन लैंग्वेज एंड आर कम्युनिकेटिंग मोर एंड मोर विद देम, राइट? सो my final message will be in sign language, and I'll give voice for that.
Please.
which is कौन सा सॉन्ग चाहिए? You may say I'm a dreamer or heal the world. Which one you want?
Heal the world.
Okay, so I'll do 2 lines in heal the world, and I'm adding the sign language to it.
Yeah, please.
Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. Thank you.
And that was so wonderful, प्रार्थना. मुझे नहीं लग रहा अगर ये पूरा दिन भी अगर ये पॉडकास्ट को कंटिन्यू करो तो भी हमारी बातें रुकता रहे. There are so many messages, so many lessons to draw, but just because we are time constraints का challenge है, respecting your time and a lot of responsibilities. So guys, this was this wonderful guest, a wonderful soul. As I mentioned, not everyone will take a step forward to quit your corporate job, वो कंफर्ट लेवल को छोड़ के इस डिस्कम्फर्ट में आकर दूसरों के लिए कंफर्ट क्रिएट करना. इट्स नॉट एवरीवन्स कप ऑफ टी, बट वी आर ब्लेस्ड टू हैव पीपल लाइक प्रार्थना, प्रतीक, कॉल. प्रार्थना, once again, and folds and sorry मैं थोड़ा अलग ही level पे जा रहा हूँ. Sorry for that mess up. With my folded hands, I show my gratitude to you, Pratana, and I'm so blessed that we are from the same place. You know, we have gone through the same school education, and one more thing is I'm so blessed to cross under your mother's shadow because she has been my teacher when I was in my primary education.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm holding pets now.
Thank you, Pratana ji. Lot of blessings, a lot of healing and growing energy to you from whole of my heart. Let universe serve you the way you want to impact the world in a positive and better way. All the very best.
Thank you so much, and I'm thank you in sign language from the bottom of your chin. You take your hand towards your chin and wave like you do flying kiss. So
Okay, ऐसे.
perfect. Thank you. So, when I do sign language, I say don't give flying kiss. When you say thank you, do like, and you're doing it perfectly.
Amazing.
Cute. But sign language word already.
ये तो I have learned. I would like to. ये देखो कहीं start हो जाता है. Now it created a spark कि मैं भी यार sign language सीखूं तो. And I before closing ये एक scenario मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Once I was working with a screen reader, मैं ना अपने laptop पे curtain डाल के रखता हूँ क्योंकि screen से क्या लेना देना मुझे. I am working, मेरा Bluetooth keyboard है, I am working. And once my daughter entered and she was like, how are you working? There is a curtain on your laptop. We speak Marathi, right? She was like, काम कसं करत आहे बाबा तुम्ही? I mean, मैंने बोला, there's a magic. You want to learn it? Yes, definitely. I gave her my laptop and told, forget about the screen. There are sounds coming from my, use your ears and pay attention. मैंने उसको कीबोर्ड का लेआउट समझाया कि देखिए ये बटन्स हैं. बेसिक अवेयरनेस, बेसिक नॉलेज देना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड देन मैंने उसको बोला कि जो भी अल्फाबेट दबाना है दबा. एंड द लैपटॉप वाज स्पीकिंग. देन शी रोट हर नेम. उसके ABCD उसका कुछ लिखा हुआ फाइल्स का मैंने अलग फोल्डर बना दिया है. समटाइम शी कम्स, बाबा मुझे टाइपिंग करनी है. बोला ले 2 मिनट, लेट हर एंजॉय. वो मुझे अपनी बेटी के अंदर भी डालना है. सी आई वांट माय डॉटर टू हैव अ ब्लेस्ड एंड ब्यूटीफुल हेल्थ.
Yeah.
बट इफ शी लर्न्स दिस साइन लैंग्वेज, मैं तो सोचता हूँ कभी वो सोशल वर्क में जाएगी ना, इस एज में सीख के जल्दी शी विल बी इनटू दैट वर्ल्ड ऑफ हेल्पिंग सेल्फलेस लव में जाएगी. आई वांट टू पास ऑन दैट. I want to build my daughter with a good attitude. You know, these things will help. और मुझे तो लगता है ये साइन लैंग्वेज, ये स्क्रीन रीडर्स को तो एजुकेशन फैकल्टीज को स्कूल में इन्वॉल्व कर देना चाहिए. बट पता नहीं ये कैसे होगा, कब होगा.
We are real long way and we will do it.
Definitely. Once again, thank you, Pratana ji.
Shell and all the best. I want to see many more awards there. So proud. I'm being proud in sign language as well. I'm so proud of you, Kushal. All the best.
It's all your blessing. Thank you, guys. By any means, if you want to reach out to Pratana Pratik Kaul, she is very much active on LinkedIn. Her profile, the link will be provided in the description. Please find out, reach out to her in any way, trouble her to make this way.
Just search for Pratana Pratik Kaul or Pratana Unkalkar Kaul and you will find it.
Definitely. But still on a safer side, you'll be getting the link on the description. If you have any helping hand to help this beautiful soul so that she can create an impact, please spread your energy and vibes and your help. With that,
At my side, this was one of the best podcasts I have ever.
Thank you. That's your love, Pratana ji. Thank you once again for accepting my invitation. Guys, that's it for today. This is your host Kushal. That was one more episode on connecting the dots with KK and Pratana Pratik Kaul. Stay blessed. Please be committed to your goals and be, impacting the world in a positive. Stay blessed.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.